Imagine walking into a hardware store with a project in mind. We've all been there. Maybe you want to build a bookshelf or just simply fix something around the house. You're going to notice when you walk into that hardware store, two big aisles right away. In one aisle, you're going to see tools, drills, saws, sanders. You aim them at your hardware tasks and they perform the work. In the other aisle, you're going to see reference guides. Books, diagrams, manuals, these do not perform the tasks for you, but they give you the information that you need to get the job done correctly. Designing an AI system works the same way. You must decide if you need AI that does things like a tool or an AI that knows things like a reference guide. Today, I will give you a simple mental model for choosing between ADK-style agent architectures and RAG-style retrieval pipelines. By the end, you will know when to use each approach and when it makes sense to combine them. ADK, which stands for Agent Development Kit, is all about action and reasoning. In an ADK system, AI agents perform multi-step tasks. It can call workflows, it can use tools, it can follow instructions and then make a decision. Key characteristics include step-by-step reasoning, tool use, rules, processes, or logic, as well as consistent, repeatable behavior. ADK works well when your AI needs to perform tasks in a predictable sequence. Now, let's talk about RAG, which stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. RAG focuses on knowledge as well as accuracy. The model connects to your documents, retrieves the information it needs, all before responding. Here's the simplest way to choose between the two. Ask, is your AI meant to act or is it meant to recall? ADK says, do something for me, versus RAG says, tell me something about my data. And this is the distinction that guides most architectural decisions. We want to use an ADK when we want AI to be procedural. Examples include multi-step workflows, drafting or transforming content, IT or HR assistance, and lastly, task coordination or triage. We want to use an ADK when the value comes from reasoning, not the memory. The model is not trying to look up information, it's going to be thinking through decisions. We want to choose ADK when we want reliable and consistent behavior. AI agents are going to follow the same logic every time, which then makes evaluation simple. Use cases could include onboarding assistance, workflow automations, writing assistance, form completion, and operational triage. Let's go back to RAG. We want to choose RAG when our data is the source of truth. Use RAG when accuracy must come directly from documents, not from the model's internal guesswork that we've programmed. Examples of ideal content for RAG include PDFs, policies and regulations, technical documentation, product manuals, and long-form knowledge bases. RAG is perfect for when your system needs to remember things that humans can't. High volume, high detail, constantly changing information. It also shines when questions vary widely, such as, where is this topic mentioned? What does this report say? Or summarize this relevant section. Use cases include knowledge search, research assistance, legal or medical document lookup, and technical support grounded in documentation. Most real-world AI systems do not strictly choose one or the other. They use both. In hybrid systems, ADK handles the task flow, the logic, the steps, and the decision-making. RAG brings in accurate information from your documents. And this gives you a system that is both intelligent and well-informed. Examples include legal and engineering co-pilots, healthcare assistants, and enterprise task co-pilots that need reasoning paired with domain knowledge. When we're looking for content generation, low retrieval, and high reasoning, that's where the ADK is going to come in. For internal knowledge search and answers that depend entirely on documents, that's what RAG is going to come in for. For automation or IT assistance, as well as multi-step workflows and tool use, that's where we have ADK. And then we go to when we need domain expert co-pilots, as well as deep retrieval plus complex reasoning. That's where our hybrid approach is going to shine and use both. Going back to the hardware store, ADK is the tool aisle. It performs the steps, it acts, it builds. RAG is the reference aisle. It provides the information and it grounds your work in facts. Most successful projects use both aisles. You use the tools to build and you use the guides to ensure that the build is correct. And that is what choosing your AI stack is all about. Do you need your AI to act, to know, or to do both? Once you answer that question, the architecture becomes clear.